Are you making these disastrous money mistakes? Find out. What happens if you skip budgeting? What is an impulse buy? Why avoid payday loans? What causes lifestyle creep? What is paying minimum balances? What ignores future financial needs? Why is ignoring inflation bad? What is sunk cost fallacy? What happens without emergency funds? Why avoid co-signing loans? What is maxing credit cards? Why are late payments dangerous? What does carrying a balance mean? What is retail therapy? Why avoid buy now, pay later? What is a balloon payment? What ignores compound interest power? What is lifestyle inflation? Why diversify your investments? What is a predatory loan? Why avoid timing the market? What is phantom debt? What happens when overdrawing accounts? Why is hoarding cash bad? What is a credit trap? Why avoid borrowing from 401k? What is status spending? What is a financial bubble? Why is ignoring insurance risky? What is negative equity? What is a variable rate? Why avoid paying only minimums? What does house poor mean? What is an upside-down loan? Why do introductory rates track? What is a cash advance? What is the latte factor? Why avoid zero down payments? What is subscription fatigue? What happens if you ignore taxes? What does extending loan terms do? Why avoid closing old cards? What is a debt snowball mistake? What is an adjustable rate risk? Why avoid whole life insurance? What is a Ponzi scheme? Why avoid single stock investments? What is an origination fee? What is over-leveraging? Why avoid payday advances?